Javadoc is a documentation generator from Oracle Corporation for generating API documentation in HTML format from Java source code. The HTML format is used to add the convenience of being able to hyperlink related documents together. The doc comments format used by Javadoc is the de facto industry standard for documenting Java classes. Some IDEs, such as Netbeans and Eclipse, automatically generate Javadoc HTML. Many file editors assist the user in producing Javadoc source and use the Javadoc info as internal references for the programmer. Javadoc also provides an API for creating doclets and taglets, which allows you to analyze the structure of a Java application. This is how JDIFF can generate reports of what changed between two versions of an API. History: Javadoc was an early documentation generator. Prior to the use of documentation generators, it was customary to use technical writers who would typically write only standalone documentation for the software, but it was much harder to keep this documentation in sync with the software itself. Javadoc has been used by Java since the first release, and is usually updated on every new release of the Java Development Kit. Technical architecture: structure of a Javadoc comment. A Javadoc comment is set off from code by standard multi-line comment tags /and/. The opening tag has an extra asterisk, as in /. The first paragraph is a description of the method documented. Following the description are a varying number of descriptive tags, signifying the parameters of the method, what the method returns, any exceptions the method may throw, other less common tags such as @c. Overview of Javadoc: the basic structure of writing document comments is to embed them inside //. The Javadoc is written next to the items without any separating new line. The class declaration usually contains. For methods there is a short, concise, one-line description to explain what the item does. This is followed by, 2, a longer description that may span multiple paragraphs. The details can be explained in full here. This section, marked in brackets, is optional. Lastly, there is a tag section to list the accepted input arguments and return values of the method. Note that all of the Javadoc is treated as HTML, so the multiple paragraph sections are separated by a paragraph break tag. Variables are documented similarly to methods with the exception that part is omitted. Here the variable contains only the short description. Some of the available Javadoc tags are listed in the table below. Example: an example of using Javadoc to document a method follows. Notice that spacing and number of characters in this example are as convention state. See also, comparison of documentation generators, Visual Studio XML comments, notes. External links: Javadoc tool website, Javadoc tags and how to write comments, JS 260 Javadoc tag technology update Java specification request, improve on Javadocs with Ashkelon, a collection of Javadoc doclets, My Javadoc, another search engine project, to get public Javadocs over Internet, with the possibility to submit new Javadocs, globaldocs, a viewer to browse multiple Javadocs simultaneously. Various Java documentations converted to Windows help format. Javadoc is a handy open-source tool to convert Java source code into browsable HTML documents with Javadoc style and Eclipse look and feel.